Yeah, 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 yo. Yeah, yo, yeah, yo. Can you see that? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys a new eyebrow hack I just discovered. If you're the type of person you have bushy brows like me and you do not want to carve it yet, you're just too lazy to carve it, and you want it to look presentable, stay tuned to my channel. So what you'll be needing for this hack is just your edge control, a mascara bottle, an old mascara bottle. You have to wash it off and use it, or you can simply just make use of the mascara wand alone. You wash it, because to wash this old mascara bottle can be hard and time consuming. So make sure you use an edge control that is transparent. You don't want to go around using the black edge control, so use a very transparent edge control that will lap your hair well. Use the one that has a strong hold, because if it doesn't have a strong hold, you might go out on the road and look tacky. So personally, what I did was to take this edge control and I put some in this old mascara bottle. As you can see, this is the gel, is already in the bottle, so I'm not going to show that process because I've already done this. But if you do not want to transfer some to the mascara bottle, you can simply use the edge control directly with your mascara brush. Both ways can go. You mustn't transfer it to a container. So this is how my brows look before application. This is how thick it looks. This is how scattered it looks. Just have a close view. Just want to give you guys a close-up of how it actually looks before I go ahead to apply my eyebrow gel. So, but before then, I have to comb out the brows to make it more manageable. So I comb out my eyebrows. This process makes it easier for you to apply the gel without stress. Then I go ahead to apply my brow gel. What I do, I clean some parts of the gel out. Don't take too much gel, because if you take too many gel, it may affect your application. So this is what you want to do. You push it. Some people do push theirs up, but only do that if you know you do not really have thick brows like mine. Because if I'm going to push my brows up, it will look more thicker than it's expected to be. So I push mine sideways. That's what I do to mine. But if you have a smaller brows, push it upwards for a thicker look. So this is what I do. You can see it's more arranged now. Look at it. Compare it to these other brows. Can you see the difference? Then what I do, I go ahead, yeah, that's all. Let me not touch it too much before. Okay, and that's all for the, can you see the difference? Compare. So guys, can you see the difference? There is a huge difference comparing this brow to this brow. I haven't applied anything to this brow, so you can see how the brow looks without gel. And mind you, some people might say, why not just comb the brow? Even if I comb it, it won't hold. It is very hard for it to stay. Just combing it alone and maybe adjusting it. It's not that it's bad, but it won't hold. I know my brows. So this hack, when I discovered this hack, it was life-changing for me. This will reduce the stress of having to carve my brows every single week. Sometimes, probably once in 4 days. Let me go ahead and apply it on the second brows. Take note, I said do not grab too much gel, because if you grab too much gel, once it dries off, it's going to look tacky. And you do not want that. So just brush it up. Take note, I've already combed out this eyebrow before I started my gel application. Do not forget to comb. Yeah. Can you see that? Can you see that? When I discovered this eyebrow hack, I was like, damn, this is life-changing. Can you see that? Can you compare these brows to how it was before? Like, I can just apply this now. Just go ahead with my lipstick. I'm coming. Let me just apply a little lip liner. I'll show you guys. Yeah. Can you see that? Can you see that? This is just my brow gel and a little lip liner. I didn't even apply lipstick. Lip liner, lip glow, that's all. Can you see the difference? I can just remove my bonnet and go. Maybe add a little earrings and I'm good to go. This hack is good if you do not want to waste your time carving your brows, especially if you are in a hurry. Can you see? Yeah.